Despite fast and furious research progressions within the field of sports nutrition, there is still one vital element missing: health. As represented in our performance pyramid, most practitioners focus on quantity and the macronutrient balance of an athlete's diet, plus the ergogenic strategies most likely to boost performance. However, let's also add in an integrative health layer and a base layer, which brings the very important word, quality, into consideration. The Certificate of Integrative Sports Nutrition course aims to bridge the gap between conventional sports nutrition practices and those of integrative nutrition. It is hosted at the Kingston University in London and is also available in a very interactive online format. We also take the word individuality very seriously, which represents the fact that everyone's body and mind is different, and that each athlete requires a completely bespoke exercise and nutrition strategy. In this postgraduate level course, Module 1 creates a strong base layer of integrative sports nutrition knowledge. Module 2 then delves into performance nutrition strategies, still through the lens of individuality and integrative health. And Module 3 is like our mastermind module, where several guest lecturers each speak on their speciality subject. In closing, the vision of the Centre for Integrative Sports Nutrition is to teach practitioners to focus on integrative and individualised health, which will ultimately underpin athletes' physical and physiological performance.